And then you're thinking trot. What's the trot feel like? That was good there, wasn't it? Now you're going to think about walking. So you just come back, sit down, and let her walk. Now pick up in time with your horse's feet and change directions now. You won't have to look, you'll know, okay? You'll know. It's like on your diagonals. You will know. I don't want you to look at your diagonal, I just want you to trot. And you just feel and post whenever you think it's appropriate. Don't look. Ready?
I always get it wrong.
Okay. So just let. That's right. See? If you don't overthink it, it's easy. Now sit down and let her walk. Now sit down, breathe out, and let her stop. Slow her feet down now. Good. But I probably wouldn't do this at the end. I'd probably sit right in the middle of her and just sink down. Because if I do this, it kind of keeps her rocking, doesn't it? Now, could you go into a trot from a standstill? So you wouldn't want to raise her up, right? Because then she'd think you want to canter. And you'd want to send her out with both legs even and straight forward. Okay? And you wouldn't do too much, but you would do as much as it takes. Go ahead and trot now. There you go. Good. Guess which diagonal you're on? Okay. Good. Now, can you canter? Good. Now, come back to the trot. Now, if you're going to come back to the trot, then I'd be sitting so that when she came back down, then I could find that correct diagonal immediately. It would feel right. Now, take her up to the canter. Good. Now come back down. Outside rein. Good. Outside rein. There you go. You're not having to look anymore, are you? No. Good. Now sit down and walk. So when you sit down to walk, it's just like you melt right in. Okay? And there'll be a time there. A timing thing. You're coasting along, and then you change, and then you go. And then your horse is going to do the same thing. You're going to be smooth and easy and even coming in. Then you're going to canter from a walk. Good. Nice job. Don't look too far ahead of her. That feel better? Yeah. When you look too far ahead, what happens? Look too far ahead again. What does it feel like? Yeah, see? And it's hard to follow her motion, isn't it? But when you're looking just enough ahead of her, because you're not going really fast. Yeah. Now, you know, if you were driving your car, you might have to look a little farther ahead at 70, then you have to look at 35. Right? Yeah. Now, come to a stop. So sit deep. Good, good. That's hard to teach, but you've done good. So when you came down, see how you just kind of melted in there? And then she did what? She kind of melted into the ground. You were stable. Good job. Good job. But you weren't. You just relaxed and came down. And that's what you did. Does that make sense? Okay. So what else do I